In 2016, I started my journey with home automation, much like many others, with a huge starter kit. It was a fascinating introduction to the possibilities of smart devices. When I moved in 2018, I installed Home Assistant for the first time and have been using it daily ever since. Hello and welcome to Learn Home Automation. Today, I want to share my personal reasons for sticking with Home Assistant for my home automation system. Perhaps you'll find some of these reasons resonate with your own experiences and needs. If you're looking for a more personalized and flexible smart home experience, concerned about privacy and data security, in need of a solution that can grow and adapt with your needs, or struggling to integrate various smart home devices from different manufacturers, keep watching to see if Home Assistant might be the right fit for you. Home Assistant is a free, open-source home automation platform. It integrates and controls a variety of smart home devices from different manufacturers. Built on open-source principles, anyone can contribute, modify, or create custom integrations. This community of developers and enthusiasts constantly enhances and expands Home Assistant's capabilities. Home Assistant is owned by the Open Home Foundation, a nonprofit promoting privacy, choice, and sustainability in smart homes. The foundation ensures Home Assistant's independence and open nature. Drawbacks is a privacy-first cloud service founded in 2018 by Home Assistant creators. Drawbacks is also a commercial partner of the Open Home Foundation, funding it through cloud subscriptions and official hardware sales. This partnership supports the ongoing development and maintenance of Home Assistant. The ideals mentioned above, along with the vision of the people surrounding Home Assistant, are one of the main reasons I choose to stick with this project. Vakhtbovycn, Home Assistant's founder, envisions a smart home where technology enhances convenience without changing daily routines. He believes home automation should complement traditional methods of control, catering to all household members and maintaining reliability and intuitiveness. Paulus emphasizes local system operation with the cloud as an extension, ensuring functionality even without internet. He stresses graceful handling of failures to minimize disruptions. The ideal home automation system is barely noticeable, enhancing daily life without causing frustration or inconvenience. Home Assistant operates independently of the cloud, processing all logic locally. This improves response times, making the system more transparent. Furthermore, running automations locally protects your privacy, keeping data within your network and giving you full control. You can choose to rely on cloud services for user-friendly features like remote access and voice commands, or opt for a completely cloud-free experience. Home Assistant is one of the most actively developed open-source projects. This ensures continuous improvement and new features in a fast-growing technology area. When I faced issues with a new device not fully supported yet, it was a community member who offered support even though they did not own that specific device. We worked together with other users, testing his code and providing feedback, and soon the device was officially supported. This kind of process happens all the time behind the scenes, with volunteer contributors adding and maintaining features, leading to over 3,000 integrations. Home Assistant supports a vast number of devices and services, making it versatile and compatible with many different smart home brands. This allows you to mix and match devices based on budget, needs, and aesthetics. It also integrates all devices into a cohesive system, managed from a single app. This simplifies smart home control and eliminates the need for multiple apps or interfaces. Home Assistant allows extensive customization of your smart home. You can create and customize rooms, floors, groups, and scenes, and display them on a custom dashboard for easy monitoring and control. It enables powerful and flexible automations, utilizing all the rooms, groups, and scenes you created, and apply complex criteria for when these automations should run. This level of customization lets you create a fully personalized environment and also fosters a community of users who can inspire and help each other, creating a rich ecosystem of custom solutions and ideas. While Home Assistant offers great control and flexibility, it also has potential drawbacks. The learning curve can be steep for non-technical users, and the extensive customization options can make it intimidating for those new to smart home technology. Setting up and fine-tuning Home Assistant can require a significant time investment compared to more streamlined solutions. However, for those who value flexibility and control, that effort often pays off in the long run. Vakhtbovycn, Home Assistant's founder, emphasizes making the platform more user-friendly for all users. Goals include easier automation creation, a privacy-focused voice assistant, and improving existing open standards for better interoperability. In the long term, there is a desire to integrate AI locally. This includes using local AI to analyze user data and suggest automations, all while keeping the data private and secure. However, the future development of Home Assistant is always dependent on community input. This includes user feedback, feature requests, and code contributions. These are the main reasons I chose Home Assistant for my smart home. From open source development to local control and extensive customization, each aspect supports my personal reasons for using it, which is why I wanted to share my experience with you. Home Assistant has grown to over 2 million active installations, with a dedicated team and a massive open-source community. Frequent updates and a focus on innovation make it a strong choice for evolving smart home needs. I hope this gives you a clearer understanding of Home Assistant and whether it's right for your smart home. If you're interested in learning more, I encourage you to explore Home Assistant's newsletter, extensive documentation, and community forums to see if it aligns with your vision for a smart home. And that's it for today. If you've tried Home Assistant, what was your experience like? Did you find it easy to set up and use? Do you think the end user experience has improved over the years? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so why not leave a comment below? Thanks for watching, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.